Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear cache in the Snapchat app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu, then tap on settings, then we scroll down and under account actions we find clear cache. We tap on this and we can just tap on continue to clear the cache files that have been created by the app. This doesn't mean that our memories and saved snaps are going to be deleted. They are going to remain where they are. Just the cache items will be removed from the app folder. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.